Hi, this is Julia Gulevich from Glog Software. In this video, I'll show you how you can submit your website to free web directories and build backlinks using Fast Directory Submitter. I will also tell you about some new features that we added to the version 2 of Fast Directory Submitter. So open Fast Directory Submitter. And if you don't have an account in the program yet, click on Create Account. Type your first name, type your last name, type your email address, type your password, repeat your email address, repeat your password, and click Create. If the account is successfully created, click OK, and immediately you will see a form to add a campaign. A campaign is the information about the website that you will submit to directories. Now fill the form in. Campaign name. You can type any campaign name you want. The campaign name is not used anywhere in the submission form. It will be used in your account only. For example, you can type your website name as the campaign name. Then type your website link that you will submit to directories. Many directories do not accept deep links, so type the link to your home page beginning with HTTP here. Reciprocal link. You can leave this field empty because Fast Directory Submitter includes the directories that do not require a reciprocal link. Then enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address. Many directories will send you an email with a confirmation link. You must click on that link and confirm your submission. So be sure to enter a valid email address here. For example, you can use one of your free email addresses for website submission. As you see, we added the new option to the version 2 of Fast Directory Submitter. Now you can check the Watch Mailbox and Auto-Confirm Submissions option. If you check this option, Fast Directory Submitter will automatically check your account every 5 minutes, and if a confirmation email arrives, the program will automatically click on the confirmation link. If you check this option, click on Set up account and enter the information about your mail server. Type your mail server name, type your username and password for the mail server, select the server type, the port number will be set automatically, and if your server requires a secure connection, check the My server requires SSL connection. And if your server is IMAP, click on Get Folders button to load the folders from the server. Now select the folder to check for the confirmation emails. Typically this is Inbox. If you want to also check your spam folder for confirmation messages, check the Watch Spam Folder option and select the spam folder on the server. If you want the program to automatically delete confirmation messages after the confirmation links are clicked, check the Delete Messages after links were clicked option. To test if your account data is correct, click Test. If the test passes, click OK and then click Save. The next fields are username and password. These fields are optional too. Fast Directory Submitter contains the directories that do not require user login or account creation, so you can leave these fields empty. Keywords. Type your best keywords here. It's better if you type keyword phrases containing 2 or 3 best keywords. Category keywords. Here you can type 3 or 4 common keywords for your market. The program will use these keywords to suggest the best category for your website. Site title description. Click Add and enter a website title and description. The title will be used as the anchor text for your website, so make sure the title contains your best keywords. And write a short description for this title. Click OK. Then click Add again to add another title and description. The more site titles and descriptions you add, the better. The program will rotate the titles and descriptions from directory to directory, and your links will look more natural to search engines. We suggest that you add at least 10 titles and descriptions. So when the campaign information is added, click OK. Your campaign will be added to your account and will have the free type. You can submit the free campaign to 150 directories. Now I will log out from this account and log in to my working account, where I have several campaigns. Here is my new campaign. As you see, I added 11 titles and descriptions for my website. Before you start submitting your website to directories, click on Settings button on the Quick Access toolbar and look at the program settings. In the general settings, you can set the number of threads for the Express Submit mode and for checking the site listing in the directories. By default, there are 5 threads for the Express Submission mode and 10 threads for the site checking. You can leave these settings by default. Then click on the Services tab in the settings. In the version 2 of Fast Directory Submitter, you can use 2 services: the Capture and Backlinks Indexer. The Capture is the third-party online service that solves the captcha code automatically. Many directories will require that you type the security code to submit your website. You can type the captcha code manually, or you can use the Capture service to solve the captcha automatically. So, to be able to use the Capture, click on the Capture and go to the website. Create an account on the Capture and then check the Use the Capture option in the Fast Directory Submitter settings and fill the fields. Select the host name. They will provide you with 4 servers and you can use any server you like. Type the port number. You will see the port number in your account on the Capture. Type your username and password for the Capture. Then click Test to test your account. The Capture is a paid service and the test will show you that your login data is correct and also you will see your balance with the captcha. If the test passes, click OK. The next service is Backlinks Indexer. What is Backlinks Indexer for? Even if the directories approve your website, it doesn't always mean that your links will be indexed by Google. Google does not index all the pages it sees. It indexes only valuable pages. And a valuable page is the page which has incoming links itself. So to get the pages with your links get indexed by Google, you have to build the links to those pages. You can do this manually, or you can sign up with the Backlinks Indexer service. Backlinks Indexer is an online service that helps you build massive backlinks to your backlinks. So go to their website, choose a plan and sign up. After you sign up, go to the Fast Directory Submitter settings, check the Use Backlinks Indexer option, enter your API key. You will find your API key in your dashboard on Backlinks Indexer. I will tell you more how to use Backlinks Indexer a bit later. There is also the Form Variables tab in the settings. These settings are for advanced users only, so you can leave them by default. Then click on the Color Scheme tab in the settings. Here you can check the Use Color Scheme option and set different colors for different directories. So when you set up the settings, click OK. Now you can open your campaign and start submitting it to directories. Select the campaign and click on Open Campaign button. The program loads the directories. As you see, all the directories has the status pending. The pending status means a new directory to which you did not submit your website yet. Fast Directory Submitter supports two submission modes: Express Submit and Manual Submit mode. We suggest that you start submitting your website in the Express Submit mode. Click on Express Submit button and select Submit to Pending Directories. In the Express Submit mode, the program does not open the directory in the browser. You will only see a form with the information that will be submitted to the directory. At the top of the screen you will see the link of the directory submission page. Plus you will see the categories available in the directory. Based on your keywords, the program suggests you the category for your website. To look through all the suggested categories, use the Next and Previous buttons. Or you can search for the right category yourself using the Quick Search field. Just type the keyword and the categories containing this keyword will be displayed. To clear the search, just remove the keyword. Plus, you will see the title and description the program will use to submit your website to this directory. If you want to change the title, select a different title from the menu, and the description will change accordingly. After you ensure that the category is selected properly, click Submit. The program will submit your website and open the next directory. Ensure that the category is selected properly and click Submit. Now again, ensure that the category is selected properly. Check your title and description, and if the CAPTCHA code is required, you will see it here. If you use the CAPTCHA service, the CAPTCHA code will be resolved automatically. If you do not use the CAPTCHA, type the CAPTCHA code manually and then click Submit. There are some directories where the program cannot read the categories. You can either click on Bypass button to skip this directory and submit your website to it in the manual submit mode, or you can click on Submit Manually button and submit your site to this directory manually right now. In the manual submit mode, the program opens the directory submission page in the browser. The submission form will be filled in automatically. You just need to select the right category for your website. If you use the CAPTCHA service, the CAPTCHA code will be resolved automatically. If you do not use the CAPTCHA, type the CAPTCHA manually and click Continue. You will see the result on the small screen. Click on Next Site to go to the next directory. The next directory will be opened in the Express Submit mode. As usual, check the category, check the CAPTCHA and click Submit. Submit your website in the Express Submit mode until all the directories are used. I'm gonna click Stop. As you see, if your website was submitted successfully, the status of the directory changes from pending to success. If the submission failed for some reason, the status says failed. And at the bottom of the program screen, you will see the statistics about your submissions. You will see the number of bypassed, success, failed, the number of pending submissions, and this number shows how many confirmation links were clicked. By now I have 0 confirmations. Now I will close this campaign and open one of my old campaigns that I submitted some time ago. At the example of this campaign, I'll show you how you can use the Backlinks indexer, online service that can help you build thousands backlinks to your pages where your website is on. Sometime later, after you finish the submission, you can search for your site listing in the directories. Click on Start Checking button and select the submissions you want to check. You can check only success submissions, or only pending submissions, failed submissions, or you can check all submissions at once. If your website was approved and listed in the directory status will change to listed. And in the listed in field, you will see the link of the page in the directory where your website is on. Now you can add these links to Backlinks indexer. Filter the directories by status and select only the directories with the status listed. Then click the right mouse button and select All from the menu. When the directories are selected, click on Add to Backlinks Indexer button. Click OK. You will see the message saying that your links were submitted successfully. To make sure that the links were submitted to Backlinks Indexer, go to your dashboard on Backlinks Indexer and look at the list of pending links. That is all you need to do. Now wait until Backlinks Indexer processes your links. They will syndicate your links across a large amount of sites that Google likes. To watch how the process goes, click on View Report, and here you can see the number of pending links and the links that have been already processed. This is how you can use Fast Directory Submitter to build backlinks to your site and get those pages indexed by Google. As you see, you can submit the free campaign to 150 directories only, but the full program database contains more than 1,000 free directories. To be able to submit your website to the full list of directories, you need to purchase an upgrade credit and upgrade your free campaign into gold. To purchase upgrade credits, click on Buy Campaign Upgrades button in your account. When your order is processed, the credit will be added to your account and you will be able to upgrade the free campaign. To upgrade the campaign, click on Upgrade Selected Campaign button. After you apply the credit, the free campaign will be converted into gold, and when you open this campaign, the program will load the full list of directories from the server. New directories will have the status pending. So now you can use the Express Submit mode to continue submitting your website to pending directories.